Hello friends, welcome to my channel Maths Time with Sagar Raya. In this video I will do some proof from trigonometry chapter and explain the tricks to prove any questions relating to proof in an easy way. In my previous video I had explained some formula from trigonometry chapter. My friends, you must memorize all the formula to prove any questions from trigonometry. The link of the video with formula is given in the description. Please go through the link of the video. Before starting this video, I would like to thank all the people who had already subscribed my channel. At the same time, if you are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon so that you will not miss my upcoming videos. Now without any delay, let's go through the questions. In the screen you can see 3 questions. So these are the basic or simple type of proof which I am going to solve. So let's start from question number A. So in question number A, cos A dot cosec A dot tan A equal to 1. So LHS is this cos A dot cosec A dot tan A and RHS is 1. So we can take LHS because we cannot take 1, so we have to take the side which one is bigger. So cos A, LHS is cos A dot cosec A dot tan A. Now the trick of solving the proof or the trick of proving is, what you can do is you have to convert all the identity in terms of either cos theta or sin theta. Suppose if it is if this cos A is already in cos form, so write as it is. So cos A as it is. Now cosec A you can write in terms of sin theta. So cosec A you can write 1 by sin A. Similarly, tan A also tan A has two formula. One formula is 1 by cot A and another formula is sin A by cos A. So I already told you we have to convert in either sin A or cos A. So tan A can be written as sin A by cos A. So the trick is you have to change every terms or every identity either in cos A sin A or cos A sin A. So cos A as it is, cosec A 1 by sin A and tan A sin A by cos A. So this sin A and this sin A you may cancel, this cos A and this cos A cancel. So if there is nothing remain, so 1, which is equal to RHS proof. Similarly, now I will teach you how to solve this B number. So B number also, I will just copy the question. Sin A plus 2 cos A whole divided by sin square A plus 2 sin A dot cos A equal to cosec A So here also I will take LHS left hand side. So in LHS, sin A plus 2 cos A is given and sin square A plus 2 sin A dot cos A is given. So in every proof we have to think in a different way. So in this question we just change every identity in terms of either cos A or sin A, but here the question is already in sin A or cos A, so you have to use your mind, you have to be creative. So what you can do is you can see you cannot change this numerator, but in denominator you can see here is also sin square A, here is also sin A. So what you can do is just take sin A common. So numerator let it be as it is, sin A plus 2 cos A, and denominator, so sin square A and 2 sin A cos A you may take sine A common, so sine A as it is, and if you take sine A common here remains 2 cos A. So what you can do is this sine A plus 2 cos A, here also sine A plus 2 cos A, here nothing means multiply sine, so this and this you may cancel. Now here nothing remains, means 1 open sine A, so 1 by sine A means cosec A, so which is equal to RHS proved. I've just copied this question number C. You can check this. Sec square A minus cosec square A equals to tan square A minus cot square A. So sec square A minus cosec square A equal to tan square A minus cot square A. So I will take here LHS. So LHS is sec square A minus cosec square A. Question we have to use another formula. So sec square we have to we can change this sec square in terms of tan square A by using the formula 1 plus tan square A, so minus, so cosec square A we can change this in terms of cot square A, so cosec square A equals to 1 plus cot square A. So in every proof we are using different type of formula, so we have to think by ourselves, we have to use our mind to do any proof. So this case this type of in this question number C we have to use another formula. So question number B we used a different logic, and question number A also we use different logic. So according to the question we have to use our tricks. So just remove the bracket, 1 plus tan square A as it is, minus, so minus and plus 1 becomes minus 1, and minus and plus becomes minus cot square A. So this minus 1 and plus 1 you may cancel, so what remains is tan square A minus cot square A. So here the need of the question in RHS is tan square A, so we just use the formula of sec square A equals to 1 plus tan square A, and cot square A we just we need cot square A, so we just change this, use the formula of cosec square A equal to 1 plus cot square A. So this one is the RHS proof. In the next question I will bring some more questions relating to trigonometry, and I will teach you to do much tougher problems of trigonometry. For today only this much. Thank you. Please subscribe, like and share my videos with your friends. See you soon with more educational videos. Thank you.